Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the hotly anticipated redesign of the 2025 Nissan Altima. Now, there's been a lot of buzz online, but Nissan themselves are staying tight-lipped. So, buckle up, because we're gonna crack open the rumor mill and see what the future might hold for this popular sedan. The big question on everyone's mind: is it a full-blown redesign or just a mid-cycle refresh? Leaks suggest the 2025 Altima might lean towards a refresh. We could see sharper lines on the front and rear bumpers, along with redesigned headlights and taillights. Think a more modern and aggressive stance, keeping the Altima competitive with the latest offerings. Interior. While the exterior might see a subtle shift, whispers point to a more significant upgrade inside. The focus seems to be on creating a luxurious and tech-forward cabin. Imagine high-quality materials, a revamped infotainment system with all the latest bells and whistles, and a driver-centric cockpit designed for comfort and control. On the powertrain front, things might stay familiar. The 2.5-liter four-cylinder and the punchier 2.0-liter turbocharged option are rumored to carry over, both paired with a CVT. The exciting news? All-wheel drive might finally be an option on some trims, giving the Altima an edge in terms of performance and handling in all weather conditions. Here's where things get interesting. There are murmurings about Nissan introducing some form of electrification to the Altima. Maybe a hybrid option, or even a daring leap into a plug-in hybrid setup. This would definitely be a game-changer, boosting fuel efficiency and giving the Altima a green edge in the mid-size sedan segment. While Nissan remains tight-lipped, the 2025 Altima redesign is shaping up to be an exciting evolution. Whether it's a sharper design, a tech-laden interior, or a possible electrified powertrain, the future Altima promises to be a strong contender in the ever-competitive midsize sedan market. What are your hopes for the 2025 Altima? Redesign or full revamp? Classic engine or a hybrid twist? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car news.